Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make a mobile pouch with a very beautiful embroidery without using a sewing machine. Yes friends, no sewing machine has been used to make this pouch. Magic, right? So without wasting much time, let's have a quick tutorial. Now firstly, measure the length and the breadth of your mobile. In my case, it's 3 inches by 6 inches. I have cut two pieces of a fabric measuring 5 inches by 18 inches. Now basically cut 2 inches more at the breadth and length should be 3 times the size of your phone. Now I am taking a buckram sheet measuring 4 inches by 17 inches, which is 1 inch less than the cloth. Now here comes the star of the show, fabric glue. I am using Fevicryl brand. Now I'm going to apply fabric glue on all the sides of the buckram sheet and just pasting it on the fabric. To give a neat finish to our pouch, I am hemming all the sides using the same fabric glue. The advantage of using fabric glue is after drying it will become transparent and it holds a very strong bond with the fabric and it's easily washable. Now I am taking the second piece of the fabric, which will be the inner lining of our pouch, and I'm going to hem all the sides. I am using a hot iron so that I get a good crease and my work looks neat, and I'm applying fabric glue on the creased part and hemming all the sides. Now stick the second layer of fabric over the first layer and let it dry for 2 to 3 hours. Now fold the pouch and make some adjustments. I am keeping a little space on the top so that I can easily take out my mobile. Now apply fabric glue on both the sides and allow it to dry. The base of our pouch is now ready. I have drawn a freehand design on a paper and now I am going to trace it on a pouch with the help of a yellow carbon paper. Now as the design is not much visible, I am overwriting it with the help of a white pencil so that I don't mess it up while doing the embroidery. I am using Fevicryl 3D liners for the embroidery part. I am using the 3D liners which comes in small bottle. You can also use the neon 3D liners which comes as tubes, but the tip is little thick, so I would suggest you to use the bottle ones. Now, to make an embroidery, I am simply making zigzag designs to make it look like a thread work. Now this is how it's going to look after the embroidery. Isn't it looking beautiful? Now I'm attaching a self-adhesive velcro. You can also use a stitch button as well to secure the sides. Now to enhance it more, I am making a latkan using some pom-poms, pearls and some ghungroos. This step is completely optional and can be skipped. I am doing some final touch-ups using a white 3D liner. You can even attach a chain to make it a sling mobile pouch, but I would like to keep it as it is. So friends, our no sew mobile pouch is now ready. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to share your feedback in the comment section. Bye bye.